Hello everyone, welcome to my session on letter and number series. Previous videos లో లెటర్ సిరీస్ చేసాం, నంబర్ సిరీస్ చేసాం. ఓకేనా? అందులో నెక్స్ట్ ఆడ్మెంట్ అవుట్ కూడా చేసాం. ఈ వీడియోలో ఏంటంటే లెటర్ అండ్ నెంబర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఈ లెటర్ నెంబర్ కాంబినేషన్ లో సిరీస్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇందులో ఏంటంటే ఆడ్మెంట్ అవుట్. ఆడ్మెంట్ అవుట్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలుసు కదా, అది ఏదైతే రాంగ్ టర్మ్ ఉన్నదో అది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం. This is also same as the number series and letter series. The difference is here the combination of letter series and number series. Okay. See, compared to the number series, it's very easy. Compared to letter series, it's very easy. Why? Because already we know the series. Okay. But number series and the difficult part in the undadu. But ఏంటంటే మనకి లాజికల్ ఎబిలిటీ, థింకింగ్ ఎబిలిటీ మాత్రం కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండాలి. Okay. Now, let us check the first question. Just a moment, all of you. Right. Here, total number. Now, here total 26 alphabet. And what about the numbers? That is infinite numbers. But generally, in letter and number series, maximum 2-digit numbers are there. Or squares combination. Here, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, all arithmetical operations are exist in this letter number series just as the number series. But the difference is the length and the difficulty of the question in letter number series is very less compared to the number series. Okay. If you are familiar with number series and letter series as well, your letter number series is very simple. Okay. In as if you take only letter series, little bit difficult. If you take only number series, it's difficult. But what about number and letter and number series? It's absolutely easy. Now, but this entire topic based on the letters and numbers only. But the important thing is you must know the each and every letter's place value as a certain letter series, right? Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And what are the place values of each and every letter? So that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Here 10 you can represent it as 0. That is little bit easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That is 20. Afterward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And all the 26 alphabet either clockwise direction or an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, the next letter of W is X, the next letter of X is Y, the next letter of Y is Z, the next letter of Z is A, etc. In the same way, the previous letter of Z, that is equal to Y, the previous letter of Y is equal to X, the previous letter of B, that is A, the previous letter of A, that is Z, the previous letter of Z is Y, etc. So all the 26 alphabet either clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. And the numbers as usual. Now, come to the first question. Choose the term which will continue the following series. We require next series. Okay, simple. What is the P E stands for 16, C stands for 3, R stands for 18, F stands for 6, T is 20, I is 9, V is 22, and L is 12. If you observe, P is the 16th letter, R is the 18th letter, T is the 20th letter, V is the 22nd letter. That means 16, 18, 20, 22. What is the next number? That is equal to 24, right? So what is the next number? That is equal to 24. What is the 24th letter? That is equal to X. So here three options are there. Just take up this option. Okay, exams low, E-type elimination important. Okay. Next entity, third letter, C, F, I, N. If you observe, 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the next number? 3, 6, 9, 12. Next number is 15. What is the 15th letter? That is O honor. Just take up this option. Now you need to check the number. See, in general, out of 3 letters, suppose if you find the 2 letters sequence, you will get the answer. But created a kunchi difficulty is running. Now come to the numbers 3, 5, 8, 12. So what about the series? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12. What is the next number? Plus 5 on it. So 12 plus 5, that is equal to 17. So what is the answer? X 17 O, which is required answer. Yeah, the combination of letter and number series. Okay, so what is the letter? 16th letter, next 18th letter, next 20th letter, next 22nd letter. What is the next letter? Next letter should be 24th. That is equal to X. What next? Here, last letter. C is the 3rd letter, F is the 6th letter, I is the 9th letter, L is the 12th letter. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3 difference. What is the next one? 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So here 2 options are eliminated, only 2 options left. Right? So now you check which of these 2 options satisfy the condition. Now come to the number 3, 5, 8, and 12. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. What next? 12 plus 5. Why? Because yeah, this is 2. Next to 3. Next to 4. Next to 5. 12 plus 5, 17. So what is the answer? X 17O, which is required answer. Now go to the next one. Very simple. E6, J11, O16. If you observe, E is the 5th letter, here 6 is there. J is the 10th letter, 11 is there. O is the 15th letter and 16th is there. Right? But what is the next one? E, this is the 5th letter. J, 10th letter. O, 15th letter. 5, 10, 15. What is the next one? That is equal to 20. What is the 20th letter? That is equal to T or not. What is the next number? The place value of a letter plus 1. What is the place value of 20? So place value of T, that is 20. What is the next one? 21. So what is the answer? Answer T21, which is required answer. Once again, E, J, O. E is the 5th letter. J is the 10th letter. O is the 15th letter. So what is the next letter? That is equal to 20th letter. What is the 20th letter? That is equal to T. And next, here this is equal to 6. 5, 6, 10, 11, 15, 16. What is the next one? 20, 21 or not. So what is the answer? T21, which is required answer. Next one. C7, G11, K15, O19. What is the next one? If you observe same, C is a third letter, G is a seventh letter, K is a ninth letter, 11th letter, O is a 15th letter. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. What is the 15 plus 4? That is equal to 19. What is that 19th letter? That is equal to, yes. What is the 19th letter? Yes. So these three options are eliminated. Only two options are. Now 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 4, that is equal to 23 on that. So what is the answer? Option E is the correct answer. Okay. C, G, 11, O. C is a third letter, G is a seventh letter, K is a 11th letter, O is 15th letter. Okay. If you are perfect in place values of each and every letter, your coding decoding is also very simple. Okay, na? Now, here, so 15 plus 4, they got 19. What is the 19th letter? That is equal to S. So remaining all options are cancelled. Now, here come to the part of number 7, 11, 15, 19. What is the next number? That is equal to 23. Yes, 23 is the correct answer. Next, add the simple one. A. A is the first letter, C is the third letter, E is the fifth letter. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. What is the seventh letter? That is equal to G. So all options are cancelled. Okay. Now suppose if you want to series 1 square 1, 3 square 5, sorry 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square is equal to 40. 9 is the answer. Okay. A is the first letter, C is the third letter, E is the fifth letter. First, third, fifth. What is the next one? 7. What is the seventh letter? That is equal to G. 1, 5, 25. What is the next number? Here, first letter square, third letter square, fifth letter square, seventh letter square. What is the seventh letter square? That is 49. So what is the answer? Answer is G 49. Let's choose the term which will continue the following series. X, U, R. What is the X? This is equal to 24th letter. What is the U? That is equal to 21st letter. What is the R? That is the 9th letter, 18th letter. 24 minus 3, 21. 21 minus 3, 18. 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15. So O is the answer. Okay? Gets cancelled. What next? If you observe carefully, 6 is a digit sum of 24. Digit sum and just to convert all the numbers into single digit. And just add these two. 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9. 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. So what is the answer? Go 6, which is required answer. Is it clear? XU, X6, U3, R9. So X is the 24th letter. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. U is the 21st letter. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. R is the 18th letter. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. What is the next one? 24 minus 3. That is equal to 21. 21 minus 3, 18. 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Next one. E22, J17, O12. What is the next one? Same. E is the 5th letter. J is the 10th letter. What is the O? That is the 15th letter. 5, 10, 15. What is the next one? Obviously 20 or not. That is equal to 20. That's okay. Next. What is the 23rd? That is equal to T if you observe, except these two. Remaining all are same. What? This is 22. This is 17. This is equal to 12. the difference between 22 and 17, that is equal to minus 5. 17 and 12, that is equal to minus 5. 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7 on that. So what is the answer? Option 7 is the correct answer. Is it clear? E, J, 10. E is a 5th letter, J is the 10th letter, O is the 15th letter. So 5, 10, 15, what is the next number? That is equal to 20. Next, now what is the 23rd? That is equal to T. Now come to the part of number. 22 minus 5 is equal to 17. 17 minus 5 equal to 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So what is the answer? Answer is T, 7. Next one. A4D, E40H, I108L, M208P. A is the first letter, D is the 4th letter, E is the 5th letter, H is the 8th letter, I is the 9th letter, L is the 12th letter, M is the 13th letter, P is the 16th letter. If you observe 1, 4, 5, 8, 8, 9, 12, 13, and what is the next one? 16, 17 or not? 16, 17, right? Right. Now, what is the next one? The difference between 1 and 4, that is equal to 3. The difference between 5 and 8, 3. The difference between 8, 9 and 12, 3. 13 and 16, 3. 17 and 3, that is equal to 20. What is the 17th letter? That is Q. What is the 20th letter? That is equal to T. Now, come to the part of number. So, what is the relation between the numbers? Relation among numbers? This is equal to 4. This is equal to 40. That means this is equal to plus 36. And what about this one? This is plus 68. And what about this one? This is plus 100. And next, what is the next number? That is important. Suppose if you take this one, this is 36, 68, and 100. Okay. But what about this case? So, now you think out of the box. Addition is a little bit difficult. So, you can take either multiplication or squares or cubes, whatever it is. If you observe that numbers 1 and 4, the product of 1 and 4, that is equal to 4 or not? 4. The product of 5 and 8, 8 times, that is equal to 40. The product of 9 and 12, 12 times, that is equal to 108. The product of 13 and 16, the product of 13 and 16, that is equal to 208. And what about this case? The product of 17 and 20. What is the 17, 20 times? That is equal to 340 or not? So what is the answer? Q340T, which is required answer. Next one. A2E, C5H, and next E12K here. A, this is the first letter. C is the third letter. This is the 5th letter. This is the 7th letter. What is the next one? Obviously, 9th letter. And E, this is the 5. E, this is the 5. H, this is 7. K, 11. N, 40. And this is the 8th letter, right? Yeah. E is the 5th letter, H is the 8th letter, K is the 11th letter, and N is the 14th letter. What is the difference between these two consecutive letters? 3 on it. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, that is equal to 17. What is the 9th letter? I. And what is the 7th letter? That is equal to Q. So what happened? This one is the correct one. No need to check the numbers. But now we will check what about the number series also. Why? Because this is not an examination, right? Now, this is a 2, this is the 5, this is the 12, this is the 27. What is the next number? Here 2, 5, difference is 3, and difference is 7, and the difference is 15. And what is the next? Suppose is the difference is possible? It's not possible. Now, what is the others? Now, suppose if you take the second one, here, C and H, the difference of 3 and 8, that is equal to 5 satisfied, but 1 and 5 is not satisfied the condition. Okay. Here I and Q, the remaining all are consisting of other letters. So I and Q, only first one is satisfied. That's okay. But you need to identify what about the series. In your examination, just find the answer. That's it. But yeah. Next question. Choose the term which are the continuous series. As I said, A is the first letter, E is the fifth letter, C is the third letter, H is the eighth letter, E is the fifth letter, K 11th letter, G is the seventh letter, and whatever the end, this is the 14th letter. C 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. What is the ninth letter? I. If you observe, these three are cancelled. Next, E is the fifth letter, H is the 8, 11, 14. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, that is equal to 17. What is the 17th letter? That is equal to Q. So that is the answer. Now, but in our examination, you always solve like this. But at this stage, we need to learn how to find that number also, how to get the answer. That is very, very important. Okay, so this is equal to 2, this is 5, this is 12 and 17. The difference between these two, this is equal to 3. The difference between these two is equal to 7. The difference between these two is equal to 15. Now, what is the relation among 3, 7 and 15? We don't know. So here numbers is not satisfy the condition. Now you check there is any other possibility exist or not. Okay. Now come to this case. The relation between 2 and 5, this is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5. And this is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2. That means this digit into 2 plus 1. This digit into 2 plus 2. Now this digit, what is the 12 into 2 plus 3? And what is the next one? 27 into 2 plus 4. So 27 into 2, 54 plus 4. That is equal to 58. So what is the answer? I 58 cube, which is required answer. Next one. Choose the term which will continue following the series, same as this. Here, missing element. We require the missing element. A, C, D. Next, F. What is the next one? Must be G or not. J. If you observe, the previous letter of D is C. Okay. The previous letter of G is F. The previous letter of J is equal to I. So what about GI? Yeah, this is not a correct. So remaining 4 options are there. So what should you do? We require that number also. So how to find that number? This is 3. This is 24. This is equal to 20. Obviously, multiplication part. So how to solve this one? If you suppose 3 8 times, that is equal to 24. And here 24 5 times 120, but middle one number must be there. So how to find answer? A is the first letter, C is the third letter, 1 3 times, that is equal to 3. D is the first letter, sorry, fourth letter, and F is the sixth letter. 4 6 times, that equal to 24. G and I. What is the G? 7th. What is the I? That equal to 9. So what is the product of 7 and 9? That is equal to 63 or not. So what is the answer? Answer is G63I, which is required answer. Next one. Choose the term which will continue the following series here. B, D, H. B is the second letter, D is the fourth letter, H is the seventh letter. So what is the next? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 4, that is equal to 11. What is the 11? That is equal to K. Here K is not exist. So, sorry. This is the 8th letter. Okay. Here, second letter, fourth letter, 8th letter. What happened? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 or not. What is the 16th letter? P. So here 4 options satisfy first letter as P. Next, E is a 5th letter, G is a 7th letter, K is a 11th letter. Plus 2 plus 4. What is the next one? Plus 6. What is the plus 6? That is equal to 17. So 17. Okay, that means P and Q. So what happened? Only one condition satisfies the condition. P and Q. Now come to the number. Here this is equal to 7 square. This is equal to 11 square. And whatever this one, this is equal to 17 square. How to get that one? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 8 plus 11 equal to 17. 16 plus 17. What is the 16 plus 17? That is equal to 33 square or not. Okay. What is the 33 square? That is equal to, 1089. 1089. So what is the answer? Answer is P1089 cube, which is required answer. Next one. A2Z, C5X, E10V. What is the next one? Okay. C, first letter, third letter, fifth letter, seventh letter. Z is 26th letter, X is 24th letter, V is 22nd letter, and 20th letter. Okay. So what is the 7th letter? That is equal to G. And what is the 20th letter? That is equal to T. 1, 2, 3, 4. All options are satisfy the condition. Now come to the numbers. This is equal to 2. And this is equal to 5. This is equal to 10. And what is the next one? Suppose the difference between 2 and 3, that is equal to 5. 5 and 10, that is equal to 5. Okay. Sorry, 2 and 3, that is equal to 3. And here, the difference is 3. And the difference is 5. What is the next difference? Maybe 7. Suppose 7, 10 plus 7, that equals 17. Here 17 is there. So what is the answer? Answer is G17T, which is required answer. The difference between two consecutive numbers, 2 and 5, 3, 5 and 10, 5, 10 and 7. Okay, 10 and 17. That is equal to 17. So what is the answer? G17T, which is required answer. Is it clear? Now, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? What is the next letter or next number? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏంటంటే రాంగ్ నెంబర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో డిఫికల్ట్. ఎందుకంటే మనకి అందులో ఎక్కడ రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఉందో ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం కష్టం. అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు నో ద సీక్వెన్స్. ఆ సీక్వెన్స్ సిరీస్ తెలియకపోతే మాత్రం అక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయదు. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఐడెంటిఫై ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్. B2C3 is a very simple. B is a second letter, C is a third letter, E is a fifth letter, G is a 17th letter. What is the 11th letter? That is K. But here E is there. So what is the answer? E11, which is required answer. It's a very simple. But never expect such type of examples in our examination. Okay na? Inta easy way ta matram undadu. Little bit difficult untundi. Let us check. Now AB3. Next, EF11, JK21, PQ33, XY49. So, what is the answer here? Here, AB, EF, JK, PQ, XY, all are satisfied condition. A is the first letter, B is the second letter, E is the fifth letter, F is the sixth letter, J is the 10th letter, K is the 11th letter, P is a 16th letter, Q is a 17th letter, and X is a 24th letter, and what is the Y? Y is a 25th letter. If you observe, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 5 plus 6 equal to 11, 10 plus 7 equal to 21, and 16 plus 17 equal to 33, and 24 plus 25 is equal to 49. Now, what is the correct answer? What is the wrong term in the series? If you observe, AB consecutive lattice, EF consecutive lattice, JK consecutive lattice, PQ consecutive, and XY also. Okay. Next, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 5 plus 6 equal to 11, and next 10 plus 11 equal to 21, 16 plus 17 equal to 33, and 24 plus 25 is also equal to 33. So, how to satisfy the condition? All the numbers are, all the letter and numbers combination is correct. Now, if you observe, the very dangerous part is AE, J, P, the difference is equal to 4. The difference is equal to 5. The difference is equal to 6. What is the next difference? Must be 7 or not. AE, A plus 4E, E plus J 5, J plus P 6. Next P plus 16 plus 7. So what happened? That is equal to 23. That is double. But here X is there. So what is the answer? XY 49, which is required answer. If you observe A, B, E, F, J, K, P, Q, X, Y, that is a satisfied. 1 plus 2 satisfied, 5 plus 6 satisfied, 10 plus 11, 16 plus 17, 24 plus 25 is also satisfied. But the very important point, A to E 4, E to J 5, J to P 6, next P to next letter must be 7. So 16 plus 7, 23. So 14. Yet X, Y 49, which is required answer. Is it clear? Next one. BA2, BB4, BC6, BD16, BE32. And which of these are correct? Wrong. All are B. A, B, C, D, E. That is also correct. 2, 4, 6, 16, 32. See, all the first letter B satisfied. Next, A, B, C, D, E. That is a satisfied. Now come to the part of 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 16, 30. If you observe, all the numbers base as 2 and power is an composite number. Except one case. This is 2 power 1, next 2 square, this is 2 power 4, and this is 2 power 5. So 2 cube must be there. But 2, what is the 2 cube? That is equal to 8. But here 6 is there. So what is the wrong number? Wrong number is BC6, which is required answer. Clear? So all are satisfied. 2, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, except one. Yet if you instead of 6, 8 is there, that is the correct sequence. But here 6 is there, so this is not a correct. Next, identify the wrong term in the series. 1, 26, 4, 23, 7, 20, 10, 17, 13, 14. If you observe the difference between 1 and 26, 25, the difference between 23 and 24, that is 19, the difference between 7 and 20, that is equal to 13, is not equal. Here 10 and 7, 10 and 17, 7, 13 and 14, 1. So what happened? Suppose in this case 13 is there, GT 13, which is required answer. But here GT 10 is there. So what is the wrong number? GT 10. What is the next one? Identify the wrong term in the series. See, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. N, O, P, Q, R, S. Here, not satisfied. Here, N, O, P, N, O, P, Q. If instead of S, Q is there, then that is the correct answer. Or suppose if you observe 1 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Here. And what about this case? Here, 3 square is there. Here, this is the 4 square, 25 square. So only this one. Here, DS9. Here, N, O, P. If suppose this is equal to Q, Q and R satisfy the condition. But here, S is there. So what is the wrong series? DS9, which is required answer. Next, identify the wrong term in the series. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. V, W, X, Y, Z. That is also okay. 25, 23, 21, 19, 15. That is important. Okay. The difference between 1 and 25, 26, that is called 25. 2 and 25, 23. 3 and 24, 21. 4 and 23, 5 and 22, 70. If you observe, 1, 26, 2, 25, 3, 24, 4, 23, 5, 20. The difference between 1 and 26, 25, the difference between 2 and 25, 3, the difference between 3 and 24, 21, the difference between 4 and 23, 19, the difference between 5 and 22, 11, sorry, 17. But here 15 is there. So what is the wrong series? That is equal to E15V is the wrong series. Next. And the simple question, D16, F36, H49, J100, L144. This is the 4th letter, this is the 6th letter, this is the 9th letter, sorry, 8th letter, and this is the 10th letter, and this is the 12th letter. If you observe, 4 square 60, 6 square 36, 8 square is equal to 64, but here 49 is there. 10 square 100, 12 square 144 is correct. So what is the wrong series? H49, which is required answer. Suppose instead of H, G is there, then that is the correct sequence. Next. Same 1, 26, 3, 4, 5, 5, H, 8, and I, 9, L, 12, and 13. If you observe, 1 plus 26 equal to 27, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, 12 plus 13 is equal to how much? 25. But here 26 is there. So what is the wrong series? LM26, which is required answer. That's it. Next, identify the wrong series. 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3. Okay. Here B, J, Y, W, and M. What is the answer? It's a little bit difficult, but nothing to worry. So just to pause this video and solve the question, and after that, just to watch my explanation. Okay. 1B1, 1J3, 3Y4, 1W5, 2 and 3. 1, 1. Let us take 1 square plus 1 square. This is equal to 2. 1 square plus 3 square is equal to 10. What is the 10th letter? That is equal to J. What is the second letter? That is B. This is 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16, 25, Y. 1 square plus 5 square. 1 square, 1 plus 25, this is equal to 26. Suppose here Z is there, that is the correct answer. Here this is 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9. So 13, That is also satisfied. So what is the answer? 1W5. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. B1UD3T F9S H31 or J53Q. What is the answer? Obviously, this is 2. And what is the U? 21. D3, this is 20. F, 6, S, 19. H, 8 or 18. J, 10, this is equal to 17. Here B, 2, this is equal to 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What is the next one? That is equal to 12. What is the 12th one? Oh, we require the wrong series. Leave it. 21, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. That is also okay. Now, numbers 1, 3, 9, 31, and 53. So, what is the wrong number in the series? That is important. Now, number series is important. Okay. All right. I'm going to explain. This is 1 into. What is the relation between 1 and 3? 1 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3. What is the relation between the 3 and 9? 3 into 2 plus 3. Next, 9 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 3. Next, 9 into 2. And what is the next one? Plus 5. Is it valid? Suppose 9 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 18 and this is equal to 23. Let us take. What is the next one? 23 into 2 plus 7, 46 plus 7, 53 is correct. When, if suppose this is equal to 23, if this number is equal to 23, then only. So what is the wrong number? H31 or which is required answer. Is it clear? Right. This is about the letter and number series. Okay. We'll meet you again on next video. Thank you, one.